I wouldn't be surprised to see a move up to retest structure resistance on this symmetrical triangle pattern, followed by a drop to retest structure support. And at that point, a bounce and break to the upside somewhere around here with a possible move up. Today is Monday, October 30th, and Bitcoin is actively trading within a symmetrical triangle pattern on the 4-hour time frame. Now, this is a continuation pattern, meaning typically it will continue the pattern that it was in before the triangle pattern actually began playing out, meaning this should see a move to the upside, but there are a couple things we need to pay attention to that could push the price down as well. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I think Bitcoin's going next, as well as show you how you can time the tops and bottoms of the market perfectly. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us in today's video, and if you enjoy, please remember to like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you're new with us, thanks again for joining us. We really look forward to trading with you, and I want to let you know we provide a lot of crazy benefits for our traders. First up right here, with our membership, you can get access to our 77 wins now, zero loss trading call strategy. You can get access to our daily crypto metrics. I'll show you exactly what those look like in just a minute, and our 1 million profit account challenge. All that and more with our membership. You can get our indicators for 60% off at this link, and you can join our Telegram for free at the third link. With that, we're heading over to the tradeconfident.io website to start the analysis. First, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin metrics, and the first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. As the price has continued to rise, we are still within the greedy and excited reading area. Just barely dropped into excited. But generally, whether you're an excited or greedy, either way, here and you can see back here, this is where you're looking for moves down in the market. Extremely bearish when we reach these areas. And because of that, based on historical data, we should be seeing moves down in Bitcoin soon. Next, you're going to want to take a look at the Bitcoin Volatility Breakout Detector. We are still seeing extreme levels of volatility in the market right now. But as soon as you see a drop into the breakout zone, if you see a bar below that area, that's when we're going to be looking for significant moves to happen. Until then, sideways movement is pretty typical, especially after major moves up as we saw recently. Next up, you're going to want to pay attention to what whales are doing. Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric is going to help you predict the whale's next move, and we are still seeing a ton of short trade sentiment in the market. We recently surpassed the 800, nearly negative 1,000 level that we're typically looking for those short trades to come into the market. We did see a little bit of a drop as that happened, but we got a move back up. So I think whales are still trading a little bit sideways. Personally, I do think we should be seeing moves down soon, but not quite yet. And that's because as we look down at the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart, we are seeing whale money flow out of the market actively right this second. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and we're seeing a little bit of a divergence. While the price is moving up, we are seeing whale money flow out of the market. No trend can be supported without whales, so a move down is actually more likely in the price of Bitcoin. Once again, though, I think sideways movement is honestly to be expected for a little bit of time, so more than likely this will be a fairly short-lived drop unless we see whale money really move out of the market. Next up, you're going to want to pay attention to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels chart. The main structure support we have right now is $31,862. I think that's the absolute lowest we're going anytime soon at this point. It is still possible, but you will want to wait for the live charts to see my real targets. Currently, they do not show up on this chart because of this massive pump that just happened. Last but not least is the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, we just posted a sell signal over the weekend while the price pushed outside the short trade liquidity zone. Whenever you hit this red area on the Bitcoin chart, you can see in the background behind the price, this is typically where you're going to see a reversal of the price. You can see right here, it happened in green and we saw moves to the upside. Most often this will reject and actually result in moves down. And at the same time, we are seeing a strong sell signal. Both of these typically will result in moves down. But I do want to point out the last time we got a strong sell signal, we did get a major pump to the upside because strong sell signals tend to be the ones that are invalidated by short squeezes. It is possible we're going to see a short squeeze at this point too. We'll have to look at the live charts to see how possible that is, but a short squeeze would result in moves to the upside. We're already seeing a retest of structure resistance here, and if we break that, it should be crazy moves to the upside if we manage to break it. It is a tough one to break, and as this happens, you're going to want to pay attention to all of the Bitcoin metrics we have to offer. Whether you trade Bitcoin or not, it is the most important coin in the crypto space. And on top of the Bitcoin metrics, our members get access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Don't miss out on our next trade setups. As of today, we are currently 77 wins, 0 losses with 11 active trades. And be sure to stay tuned for a future forecast video. Brand new one is coming out tomorrow. They come out every Tuesday and Friday. Join us as we embark on our $1 million or 400% profit crypto challenge. This is all crucial information, and you're going to want to pay attention to that. If you want to get access to all this and more, be sure to snag our membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The membership will be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Keep in mind that the full access for $59 a month is actually at a limited time special price. You're going to want to lock in the membership price now because these price increases are coming. And if you purchase now, you'll stick at this price. You won't need to worry about any price increases for you. Access those future forecasts, trade setups, live Zoom coaching every month, metrics across all 20 coins, members only indicator coupon codes valued up to $450 off, and more. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame. The metrics are set to 1 day. We will go over a little bit of the 1 day time frame, but 4 hour is the main one we're looking at, especially as the price continues to be so dynamic. We're currently trading within a small symmetrical triangle pattern, and typically this will be a continuation pattern, which means however we started, whichever direction we started in, that's likely the direction we're going to break out in. Combine that with the fact that on the 4-hour time frame, price versus well money flows at about half level, and if we go to the 1 week time frame, price versus well money flow is looking about the same, right in the middle here, both of which should result in moves up. The opposite is true on the 1 day time frame though. Price versus well money flow is high, trades in favor is extremely high with a 78% chance of a drop, which is where things are looking a little bit more bearish. But short term, very, very short term, I wouldn't be surprised to see a move up to retest structure resistance on this symmetrical triangle pattern, followed by a drop to retest structure support. And at that point, a bounce and break to the upside somewhere around here with a possible move up of $37,267. Heading over the 1 day time frame where things are looking a little bit more bearish. If we break to the downside, it should be a pretty gradual move, pretty easy move to structure support here at $33,100 where we saw the previous short squeeze where we began running out of momentum to the upside. If we drop, it'll be a nice easy drop of about 4.51%. But if we pump and get that short squeeze we were just talking about, it would be a move up of nearly 8%. I think we could just call that an even 8% right there. Now, none of this is financial advice, but I do want to show you exactly how you can help time the next move up or down in the market. On the right side of your charts, you're going to see a little clock icon. Go ahead and click that. Set your charts to the alert you want to see. I'm going to switch it to the 4-hour time frame first. We're looking at Bitcoin USD, so that's perfect. Then you're going to click create alert. For this one, I'm going to do TC top and bottom finder and set it to a buy signal and once per bar close. And as the price drops, it will let me know as soon as we receive a buy signal. Historically, on the 4-hour time frame, these buy signals, while rare, are actually very consistent in predicting moves up. So I want to know exactly when that's going to happen. I'm going to do the same for right here, Bitcoin USD, TC top and bottom finder. We're going to switch it to a strong buy. Once per bar close, BTC 4-hour strong buy. And now on the 4-hour time frame, I'll know whether we get a strong buy or a buy signal. Now I'm actually going to do it the same, but instead of buy signals, I'm actually going to set it up for sell signals. Bitcoin 4-hour sell signal, and we're going to do the same just one more time. TC top and bottom finder, strong sell signal, once per bar close, name it. Bitcoin 4-hour strong sell. And if we go over here, whether we get a buy signal, strong buy signal, sell signal, or strong sell signal on the 4-hour time frame, we'll know. Now, I do recommend setting this up on the 1 week and the 1 day as well. Currently, I only have strong sell and sell signals set up for those two, but the 4 hour is going to let you know the smaller day-to-day movements, while the 1 week is going to talk to you about a week out, and the 1 week is going to show you pretty much what the rest of the month is going to look like. It's important to know all 3 time frames, and if you want to get access to these crazy helpful signals, you're going to want to snag these indicators really quick. And let me show you how you can get a $550 discount. Once again, check out the links in the description below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our Pro Indicator page. Go ahead and scroll down. The best possible deal is to purchase the Pro Indicator pack first using the membership discount account. It is significantly cheaper. Members get $150 off right off the bat, just as a thank you for being a member. Once you have your membership, go ahead and click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down and click I want this, throw in the coupon code and fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in tomorrow's future forecast video.